Guys, I did it. The thing we all fear, as you have read in the title, blew my account. Let's have a moment of silence. But we ain't stopping, baby. We still going strong. We still touching six figures this year. Don't get it twisted. Now, let's go and recap this week. Oh my gosh. I'm so I'm so excited, man, to be on this journey, man. This is just a minor setback for a major comeback. I'm gonna just let y'all see these trades. So as y'all can see, right, last week started strong, lost it in the middle, came back. Before we get into that, my name is Michael, aka MH. Welcome to my channel. For those of you tuning in for the first time, started this YouTube at the beginning of this year, January 2023. And the purpose of this YouTube channel is I want to document my journey to attempting to make six figures in 2022 through prop firms. The goal is 200K, and I truly, honestly believe in all my heart that I can make it happen. Right now, I'm not profitable. So somebody say, hey, how you going to go from profitable, non-profitable to 200K? But this is my, I've been trading for like a year and a half. So I have a good understanding of things, and I know my problems. My biggest problems are greed and revenge trading, right? Greed, really, bro. Like, if it wasn't for greed, like, so many green trades have gone red, but I'm working on it. And once I get the psychology down and fine tune my edge, sky is the limit. So this is episode. What is this episode? 4. Episode 4, right? No, episode 5. My bad. This is episode 5. All right, so as you can see by the title, I blew my account. So we're just gonna go into it really quick. This is not gonna be a long video. I'm gonna just let y'all know what my problem is, and we're just gonna kind of go from there. So as y'all can see from that last week, I ended on a strong note. Boom, came in the next week, caught a L right off the bat. Then from there, caught a dub, and started catching L. What is it? The let me see. What week is that, man? Because I'm recording this later, so it's the. Let me just see what week it is. The 22nd through the 27th. All right, so Sunday the 22nd through the 27th. All right. So as y'all can see, bro, like I was just getting clapped up. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 trades, and I won 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, these are break even, really. So just say 1, 2. 2 out of, I'll count it right. Nah, you can't count these, bro. These are break even. These are 1, 2 out of. So if we don't count those, are break even. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we don't count those, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh my gosh. 2 out of 17, bro. That's like 11%. It's like 11% win rate, bro. This is horrible. So, what was my problem last week? All right, let's get into it. First trade. What is this? Let's go to it. We about to go to it. All right. I appreciate y'all for sticking in with me. All right. So, I journal as well as video record. How my setup was hesitating, because it really didn't grab liquidity. It just wicked. It slightly formed a relative equal high, got stopped out of first position because the distance between fair value gap and swing high was too big. Re-entered and was up $6 on second position, which would have made me green for the day. Does that sound like a recurring theme? Plus, I had my eye on the level because of a fair value gap, but I didn't take profit. Does that sound familiar? Being greedy, not taking profit, would have been green for the day. I did the same thing last week. Should have taken profit because it is a counter trend trade. Must have had another position because it's showing a green trade also. Yeah, it was showing a green trade up here. I don't know, bro. Maybe I had another position, maybe I didn't. But so this green line I was looking for it to sweep. But it just really formed an equal high, then formed this gap. I got in at the beginning of this gap right here, but this stop was too big, so I couldn't make my stop this whole distance all the way up here. 56 pips. Couldn't do it. So I made it like 30 pips, which is I'm not trying to let's see what my risk management was, because I'm not trying to lose more than $3 on a trade. Womp, womp, womp. I mean, I did a pretty decent job. Womp. Okay, job. Whoa, what the womp. Terrible, bro. But you know, we growing, we learning. So basically, I didn't really want to take this because freaking it really didn't sweep it. It just kind of tapped it. Boom. Um, got stopped out the first position. Re-entered and swung it, and was up. Got stopped out again. I don't know where I got stopped out, but I think that last one was a green trade. This second one, because that it was showing green in the my FS book. This one right here. So you can see I have a trade. This one right here. 82 open price, 81.79. Then I got another one at 81.21. So yeah, so that second one was a green trade. All right, bet. So that was a green trade. So that was really my setup, bro. It was really my setup. I mean, it really didn't take it, kind of, sort of. But, yeah. So that second one, we got us a dub. I bet. So let's go on. That was Monday, I believe. I don't know about that second position because it's green on my thing, so I don't know. Maybe I put that in the wrong spot. Anyways, we on to the next one. Price took sell side form of a fair value gap, but I placed a trade during the Asia session because I wasn't going to be awake during London. Bad time to place a trade because it hadn't taken Asia low. Okay, with the loss had 3 confluences, wasn't an ideal trading time. So what I've noticed, I did this before. Those trades at the end of Asia session normally don't work out. Those trades don't work normally, typically. So that's not a. But I haven't done enough of them. But from so far, bro, like they not working. You know what I'm saying? Um, took sell side and form for value gap. Where was this sell side at, bro? Oh, okay. Took sell side right here. So I must have placed a trade. Nope, wasn't right there. Must have been like right here. Nope, wasn't there. Is it the end of Asia session? So what sell side did it? Or maybe this sell side? Or this sell side, maybe. Okay. Took this from fair value gap. I hopped in here and ran back below and took this. Can't be mad. You know what I'm saying? End of Asia, not ideal time, but it is what it is. All right, I could live with that one though. I can definitely live with that one. Um, Tuesday, price took Asia lows and there was liquidity above highs. Price was below midnight open and 8:30. Open and had retraced and formed for value gap. I entered. Not my bread and butter. I had some confluences. Price took Asia lows. So like, if you notice the losses that I'm taking is when I say is not when I just want to experiment with stuff, bro. If you want to experiment on a demo account, bro. Don't experiment with freaking real money, man. Like, it's just crazy, bro. Let me delete this because this is from last week. So, price took Asia lows, right? Bong. And there was liquidity above the highs. Okay. Up there. Price was below midnight open, which is right there. Price retrace. to 61.8 and formed a fair value gap. So how is this not my bread and butter then? Oh, this was not my bread and butter because it took this and it retraced. So I'm playing a continuation. I'm supposed to liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and I'm supposed to ride this all the way up. So what time was this? Oh yeah, I'm asleep at this time. This was the trade right here, bro. This was the trade. Did it take the Asia highs? It did not. So that's what I'm targeting up here, I believe. Or is it not? What is this? Yep, that's what I'm targeting up here. Boom. So I got in there, got stopped out. And then I see a fair value gap on the next one. Okay, price didn't take out a swing high. Didn't have my criteria. Price retrace, pass, and fill unmitigated gaps, grab liquidity, and I hopped in. This is what I should have waited for. So this is what I should have waited for initially. So I shouldn't have took this one. This was the gap. I should have waited for price to come back into here, right, to go high to grab that. But price broke through that. Market structure here. So boom. Here. Because it broke that, right? Retrace here. So basically I'm saying because it broke this, I should be actually looking for sales. But I don't know. I could live with that, but that's not my... No, I can't live with that because that's not my bread and butter. This was the play right here. Not when it comes back to the gap, bro. That's not the play. But I saw the liquidity. I was targeting that. Not happy with that one. So yeah, that's what happened there. Hopped in, it ran. Price took out a swing high and formed a fair value gap during lunch. Placed a buy limit at the gap. Price ran through after lunch. No sell side I've been taking. Bro, the same thing, bro. Not having all my confluences. I'm just freaking, oh my gosh. This is crazy. So, all right. So here, now, this is the reversal game. I'm trying to play a reversal. Forms a gap during lunch. I shouldn't be trading during lunch. But it comes here. Boom. And what did I do? It took swing high. And, bro, ran through this. I placed another trade, bro. So, I mean, this was... It took the swing high. It came back down. Ran through my gap. And then, I don't know why I would place another trade here. Over trading again, bro. I think I'll be getting mad when I lose. And so I have to limit my trades to 1 to 2 a day. 1 to 2 trades a day, bro, because when you're taking L's, you're not thinking logically, bro. I'm seeing all these things now while I'm thinking logically. But when you're in the midst of the trade, bro, and you're freaking taking L's, you just want to hop back in. Oh, it's going to reverse now. Your emotions take over. And then once your emotions take over, man, it's murder, she wrote. Place a buy limit at the gap. No sell had been taken. So no sell side, right? Oh, okay. This is not my thing. No sell side had been taken. So yeah, it came. So I should be looking for sells here. This is just a retracement. Sell side has to be taken. No sell side is taken. Then have 3 count. Revenge traded. And 4 more price. Formed another swing low. Same thing as last week. Same thing as last week. Swing low was formed. And my behind just hops in. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Without analyzing. Trade 5. Looking to play pullback once again. Couldn't help myself. The best reversal entry. Price seemed to have slowed down. 2 exhaustion wicks on M15. Went break even and got stopped. So, I mean, this was honestly... Broke that. Formed fair value gap. I think I went break even on this. Oh my gosh. Revenge trading. So this is, mind you, this is Tuesday. Right? Mind you, this is Tuesday. All right, we moving along. That's all happens Tuesday. I got clapped Tuesday. Met all my criteria: liquidity, swing high, fair value gap. Still an early entry, still risky because entry day has been bearish. A safer entry would have been once price broke the yellow zone. I think this is this one. Oh no, this is another. This is the next day. So I'm talking about this. I don't know. Maybe this yellow zone. I don't know. It's still a risky trade because it's been bearish. Like when you start playing against that momentum, like that avalanche is coming downhill, man. Like you don't want to be on the other side of that, dog. Like you don't want to. You don't want to be on the other side of that. You know what I'm saying. All right, so that's all Tuesday. Let's move along. Now this one, what is this trade? What is this? So this is Tuesday. No, this is Wednesday. Let's see what we got. All right, so now all right, so what happened on this what happened on this next trade? I don't recall. Let me go to US oil. So what happened, what I noticed is the reason I'm using XCI USD because I was on a prop firm taking a free trial. And when I was trying to trade oil, this is what popped up. But I noticed the Asia range. I was on XCI and I took a trade. I was on another thing and I took a trade because it showed that the Asia high or low had been taken, but it really hadn't been. But for whatever reason, well, I didn't trade Wednesday. What is this, man? Bear with me, y'all. None of these trades are good anyway. Like, it's just nothing good that came out of here. All right, so I guess no. Let's go back to XCI because this is a Wednesday trade. Maybe I didn't jot it down, but it's a Wednesday trade. Oh my gosh, Wednesday would have been Thursday 26. Or maybe I didn't, because I know I traded Wednesday, bro. I definitely traded. Oh, maybe this was my other win. Was my other win on Wednesday? So I had another win. 125. What day was that? 125. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. 125 was Wednesday. I bet. So I didn't even track this. All right. So this is my other one Wednesday. This is it, baby. Price took Asia low. Bong. Comes up. Did I get stopped here? I don't know, bro. Maybe I caught 70 pips because was I talking to Asia high? Oh, I won this. I won this because I set my TP here instead of here. Bet. So I got in right here. This is textbook. So if you notice, all my wins is like when I just stick to my 3 confluences, bro. This was the trade. And I remember this because I remember I took profit. I'm like, bro, I'm not going to try to target all the way up there. So my entry was down here, bro. It swept Asia low. Right? It swept Asia low. It formed a fair value gap. So my entry was down here. Right? Bong. Yep. Oh my gosh. And it took it and freaking all right, so this is my win. Textbook again. Textbook. These are my A+ setups. If I stick to my A+ setups, bro, I will be a profitable trader. Because every win that you see me have, it says textbook setup, 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 textbook setup. For real. Textbook setup. Took Asia low. Bong right here. Swept that bad boy. I got a swing high right here. It breaks the swing high. Not only does it break the swing high, it forms a fair value gap. I tap in right here. I go to sleep. I see all this. Yeah, I wasn't up at 4. Maybe. Yeah, because I wouldn't have had it right here. I didn't get in here. I got in over here. I must have gotten in lower than. Or maybe I just took it. I know I took this trade. So it took the swing high. And then I saw the Asia high, but I also saw all this thing on liquidity up here. I'm just like, bro, I'm not trying to go for the Asia high, be greedy. Targeted liquidity, and we came out with the dub. We came out with the dub, y'all. What's this, Thursday? Thursday took an L. This was Thursday. This was 3:46 a.m. Okay, so this was the trade. So I was on another pair. Not another pair, but if you see US, like if you go to US oil, like you have these. So you have crude spot, you have light crude, you have this. I think I was on this one. So on light crude, this was the Asia high. So I took this trade looking to target the Asia lows. But in all actuality, this wasn't the Asia high. This was the Asia high for what I'm trading on. I'm trading US oil. So I got in. I'm looking to target the low, but in all actuality, it hadn't taken the low. It was just retracing. And that bad boy was to the moon. So that was I don't know, bro. That was my fault. I mean, that was a lesson learned. It's my fault. Everything that happens is my fault. So it was my fault for not knowing that. Right? So bong. So then after that, I'm like, bro, I can't trade on that no more. I gotta come trade on US oil. So I come here. I come trade on US oil because that's just what real ones do. What's today? And this is where we get our next trade right here. So I got in. I got stopped out there. And that was that. So that was Thursday. So this is Friday. Right? Stopped out, got in early around 1 a.m. So I took Asia high, and I was afraid it was going to run on me. So that's another thing. The entries right before, right? The beginning, the mid Asia. So those trades I'm making at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and try to swing. Those two, I have so many examples that didn't work out. Got in again. It didn't work out. So it took Asia. It took Asia high. Retraced. So I mean, this is my criteria. It took the Asia high, broke a swing low, formed a fair value gap. I get in on the gap. I mean, I can't be mad. Add another position at second fair value gap. So it was a gap up here, and then it formed like a. I was on a different time frame, and then it formed another fair value gap. Oh yeah, right down here. Boom, got stopped out of those two positions. Because now right there, I should have stopped. Oh, let's go back to the drawing board. Let's go back, baby. So this one met all my criteria. I can't be mad at that, right? It took it. So those are just the A. So, risk to reward, bro. So the ones I win, 3-1s, 4-1s, the ones I lose, got in early, but I should have waited. So that would have saved me some money. Boom. Was afraid. I was afraid. Saw it took Asia high, and I was afraid it was going to run on me. So what's that? It's FOMO, ladies and gentlemen. That is FOMO, ladies and gentlemen. FOMO, FOMO, FOMO. Took entry after liquidity sweep. Thought it took out Asia high and entered without confirmation, but I was looking at a different pair. Like crude oil, set my stop to break even after price went in my direction. Was up 40 pips and got stopped out. Should have went break even. Risk management. Should have went break even, bro. When price takes Asia high in London and doesn't take the low, vice versa, look for it to take it in New York. So if price takes the high but doesn't take the low in London, look for it to take the opposite in Asia, right? Bong. So we got that. My re-entry, right? So that was that. Um, I mean that's why. Oh my gosh. So I took more losses. So I took 4 losses here. I don't know why it's not showing okay. All right. So I had 2 positions here. They got stopped out. So I had a position here, right? So I got in early. I got clapped here, right? So that's 1 loss. Boom. Took the high. And then, wait, what? I remember I got stopped. So I got a position here. I remember I got stopped out of that first position. It might have been somewhere down here, but I got stopped. Then I add another entry here, another entry here. So it's like 3 losses. And then here, I finally decided. I'm like, bro, like it's not going down. I finally decided to get on the other side. After 4 losses, I finally decided to get on the other side. Swung by position from London, was up 40. Thought about closing, but thought price would take out equal highs above and then fall in NY. I even calculated how much money I would make. It was only $2 or so. Price never took those highs, retraced, and stopped me out. Should have closed and waited for a new setup in NY. Swinging through NY is dangerous, especially if only one side of Asia lows have been taken, and I blew my account. So this is what happened. So boom, I take a loss here, right? Take a loss, take another loss. I might even took another entry right here. Anyways, I took 4 positions in this area. After 4 losses, I'm like, bruh, let me just get on the let me just get in on the other side. Boom. Came up here. I'm up like $40. Asia highs haven't been taken. Asia highs, I don't want to change my thing because oh dang it. Dog, I don't want to change it. But anyways, I think Asia highs is this red line. I think this is the red line. But anyways, I'm up. So I wake up right here. It's like 9 o'clock. I'm like, I'm expecting price to plummet. But I'm like, bro, price is about to take this and then plummet. So I'm up $40. I'm like, bro, I'm just going to wait for it to take this. And then I'm going to look to sell. Didn't set a stop loss. The position I was up 40 pips on takes me out. Not only does it take me out, this joint bleeds, bro. It fell freaking... How many pips did it fall? Not only did it take me out, bro, that joint fell 300 pips. Bruh, 300 pips. And my behind being greedy, trying to catch $2, trying to catch 20 more pips. That's the definition of greed. If that's not greed, I don't know what it is, man. Biggest issue this week was revenge trading. I had 2 days where I had 4+ losses in a row and kept hopping back in trades. From now on, I must break down a loss before entering a new trade. That's my new rule. Before entering a new trade, if I take a loss, I must break down that loss. I must assess it. I must look for market structure, fair value gaps, liquidity. I must map things out, try to think logically before I enter in a trade, right? And I'm thinking about just limiting myself to 1 to 2 trades a day. And that'll just eliminate everything unless I win 2. If I win 2, I could get another one. You know what I'm saying? But that basically sums everything up, man. Like, the problem I had last week just came back and caused me to blow my account. So this is my biggest issue I'm working on right now is revenge trading. This upcoming week, I will not revenge trade. And if I do revenge trade, I need y'all to hold me accountable, right? If I come back with another episode and revenge trading is still on the list, then I don't know what to say, bro. I don't know what to say. But That's what it is. I mean, greed is still a problem, risk management, but this revenge risk management, I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna continue to work on with stop losses and going break even. But this revenge trading thing, because you can give away all your profits. Plus, I had 2 days last week. I had a day where I lost all those trades and I was able to recoup it. Right, the last day. This day I had 2 days and I was not able to recoup it. If know what I'm saying? And I'm kind of glad this happened because last week I got away with revenge trading and I didn't blow too much. This week, now imagine if it would have took those highs and I would have got to sell, right, and wrote it down and been profitable. My issue still wouldn't have gotten addressed. So I actually blew my account, and I'm glad I blew my account. I blew my account, and I'm glad because this is gonna force me to deal with this issue. Last week, it was an issue, but I imagined to still survive. I was red for the week, but I still survived. I was only down $6. This week, I did it twice and I didn't survive. So I'm glad this happened because it's gonna force me. So I blew my account and I'm glad. I'm glad because this is gonna force me to deal with this issue that I have. That's what we're working on. No more team, no revenge trading, man. That's the new slogan. Team, no revenge trading, man. So I appreciate y'all rocking out with me. If y'all haven't watched the other videos, check them out. Until the next episode, I'll see y'all. Peace.